You don't see a technique like this every day. The guy looked at two loose wires and, instead of using the proper connector, decided to innovate. He slapped a rivet right in the middle. That's right. The same rivet you thought was only good for sheet metal suddenly became the hero of electrical splicing. Who would have guessed? Engineers everywhere must be crying now. And the craziest part? It actually worked. Solid, practical, and looking like a survival manual level hack. Want to know how this miracle rivet does the job? Follow this step-by-step guide and watch the magic happen.